Hi, want to know how to add face recognition password on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then find a tab which is Name Security and Privacy. Open it and here go to the tab named Biometrics. Here choose Face Recognition and enter your current PIN code and click Continue. Here you'd be able to read some more information about the face recognition and how is your privacy protected. So here we click continue, and as a next step we would need to take our phone and put our face in this circle, and after this you would need to just simply follow the instructions on the screen, which can be to rotate your head slightly to the right or left side. So I'll scan my face and I'll be right back. After you are done with the scanning of your face, here we can see some more settings for the face recognition, and here I highly recommend to disable this feature named Stay on Lock Screen until swipe, because you would need to scan your face and then swipe up to unlock your phone. So now let's test it. I'll turn off my phone and then turn my phone to my side, and you can see that the phone has been immediately unlocked. Let's try it once more. And this is it how it works. This is a really fast and safe way how to protect your phone. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.